As you just watched, otolaryngology professionals have been connecting on and off the OTO experience, but while they're in the exhibit hall, they're learning how they can partner with innovative companies like our OTO TV sponsor, Intuitive.
The Da Vinci SP system provides surgeons with robotic-assisted technology designed for deep and narrow access to the tissue in the body. The ability to enter the body through a single small incision helps surgeons perform more complex procedures, and we anticipate pursuing other regulatory clearances around the world for Da Vinci SP. In the U.S., although we're only cleared in urology, we do have a pending 510K for head and neck surgery. You can stop by our booth, which is 2819, for a test drive of the Da Vinci SP.
The Academy is always on the cutting edge of innovation, from developing an exclusive online forum that connects ENT professionals from all over the world, to Regent, a clinical data registry, and OTO News, an award-winning customizable newsletter. The Academy continues to create groundbreaking products for its members. AAO-HNSF Executive Vice President and CEO Dr. Deneni introduced the latest resource, the all-new ENT Health website, a state-of-the-art patient-centered site focused exclusively on ENT. To learn more features available on enthealth.org, stop by Academy Central located by the International Drive entrance. When it comes to education, the Academy delivers. This lecture presented by Dr. Cooper Smith on the ethics of surgical innovation defined innovation in surgery and its impact on key stakeholders.
Dr. Cooper Smith talked about medical ethics in the arena of medical technology and development and how important it is for physicians to sort out all of our competing interests in that area. So I was very interested to see the depth of his discussion about the dilemma.
Lectures like this one by Dr. Tucci on the contributions of temporary human temporal bone histopathology serve as a valuable resource for all practicing ENT physicians.
I didn't realize that it's sort of becoming a lost art, so as a young neurotologist, it's something hopefully I can incorporate in my career.
It's always good to know what our roots are, that the things that we assume that we're treating, we really need to know the science is there, the histology is there behind it.
We've shared that the Academy is offering more CME and MOC opportunities than ever before. Here's a quick reminder on how to ensure you earn your continuing education credits. After you attend an education session or visit the poster area, be sure to evaluate the presentation to be eligible to receive continuing education credits. You can access the session evaluation on entannualmeeting.org or use the Annual Meeting mobile app. The CME Conference Evaluation website will close in just a few weeks on November 12th. It's been another busy day of learning opportunities at the AAO-HNSF Annual Meeting and OTO Experience. Here's a quick look at some attendee testimonials. Thanks for joining us on this edition of OTO TV, sponsored by Intuitive.
I actually live in North Dakota, and I practice in North Dakota, and so sometimes we don't have as much access to some of the things around here, so it's really great to be able to come here and be able to see all this stuff that we don't always get to experience way up where I live.
It's a new experience, and it's really good. It's wonderful.
I've seen lots of innovation. Several places I've been have some new techniques. For my interests specifically, there's some implants that we're putting into the nose to help people breathe better with minimally invasive surgery.
Regent is the first national repository of otolaryngology-specific clinical data. Data is a critical component in today's ever-changing healthcare environment. Regent harnesses the power of data to ultimately safeguard the role of otolaryngologists, head and neck surgeons in defining the best care for their patients. Regent serves as the foundation for MIPS reporting, quality measures development, and the tracking of quality improvement and clinical effectiveness. The data in Regent will contribute to research and enable product surveillance. Participation in Regent will provide the opportunity to enroll in private payer incentive programs and, in the future, will assist members in meeting maintenance of certification requirements. As the data within Regent grows, so will the benefits and capabilities of Regent. Invest in the future of your specialty and take the lead in furthering the quality, safety, and efficacy of otolaryngology care by joining Regent today.
At Ego Microsystems, we provide visualization technology across a variety of surgical segments, including ENT, spine, and neurosurgery. Our products are designed to empower our customers to work more efficiently and work with more confidence to enable better patient outcomes. We're excited to announce the launch of the Ego Microscope. Ego is our next generation multidisciplinary microscope that is fully scalable to meet your specific surgeon need.
I think one of the neat things about the scope is that the ability to release the magnetic clutch and still have my hands available for operating and moving it with my nose. So I think that's a really neat feature.
Optics is our proprietary technology that takes stunning resolution and enhanced depth of field and merges it into one beam path, enabling the surgeon unparalleled view of the surgical field. Small angle illumination is the concentration of light where you need it the most, enabling you to see within tight cavities, which is critical in both ENT and spine surgery. BrightCare Plus is a very important patient safety feature. One of the most dangerous parts about using microscopy in surgery is that it could get too hot in the surgical field because of the amount of light being transmitted. BrightCare automatically checks this, keeps it in balance, assuring a safe surgery.
I think for surgery, having great visualization is incredibly important. Lighting, being able to see in areas that can be very quickly affected by blood, the ability to have good teaching arm. It's important obviously for me and my patients and care of the patient to do a good job in the operating room.
It comes down to one thing. Does the technology, does the new innovation provide a useful outcome for the surgeon? Does it enhance and enable more confidence so that the surgeon, taking all of their knowledge and skills, utilizes our tool, our innovation at that critical moment that's going to help improve the patient outcome?